Hi everyone, and welcome back to our style sanctuary. As the spring breeze carries a hint of lingering chill, there's nothing more versatile or essential than beautifully styled knitwear. Today, I want to show you how to take your favorite sweaters and cardigans and elevate them into something truly stunning. We're focusing on 3 key silhouettes that every refined wardrobe needs. Let's dive into the art of spring layering. Let's start with knitwear and trousers, the ultimate sophisticated pairing. There is a certain power in mixing the soft, tactile nature of a knit with the sharp, fluid silhouette of a well-tailored trouser. Notice how this sky blue sweater instantly brightens the face when paired with these cream-colored wide-leg trousers. It's a look that feels both intelligent and incredibly fresh for spring. The secret weapon in these looks is, without a doubt, the silk scarf. A simple crew neck transforms into a high-fashion statement just by adding a knotted scarf in a contrasting print. Whether you prefer a bold orange to pop against a white monochrome base or a classic burgundy stripe over sage green, the scarf adds that essential layer of texture that keeps the outfit from looking flat. For a mood that's more grounded and luxurious, look at these rich earth tones. A camel knit layered over dark cocoa trousers, accented with an olive silk scarf, is the definition of quiet luxury. It's a color palette that speaks of refined taste and timeless grace, perfect for those brisk spring mornings in the city. And on the days you choose to skip the scarf, the focus shifts to the finer details. Look for knits with unique textures, like this delicate pink cable stitch paired with a lace collar. It adds a romantic feminine touch without losing that professional edge. By finishing the look with a polished hairstyle and minimal jewelry, you ensure that every outfit remains intentional, stunning, and uniquely yours. Next, let's embrace the ultimate feminine silhouette, knitwear and skirts. This season, it's all about the beautiful contrast between textures. Pairing a cozy structured knit with the soft luster of a satin midi skirt creates a look that is both rich and effortless. Whether it's a delicate lace-trimmed hem or a clean, flowing champagne silk, this combination captures that coveted quiet luxury aesthetic perfectly. For those who love a more coordinated and professional feel, knit sets and wrap skirts are your best friends. A chic monochrome knit cardigan and skirt set with gold button details offers a timeless, Chanel-inspired elegance that never goes out of style. Alternatively, a fine knit pleated dress cinched with a leather belt creates a sleek, elongated silhouette that is incredibly flattering and polished for any spring outing. To truly elevate these skirt looks, we once again turn to the power of the silk scarf. A beautifully draped scarf tied over a pastel sweater echoes the fluidity of a pleated skirt, tying the whole ensemble together. Whether it's a classic knot at the neck or a playful polka dot accent, the scarf acts as the focal point that transforms a simple outfit into a stunning fashion statement. It's about adding that extra layer of grace that speaks volumes about your refined style. Finally, let's explore the perfect balance of comfort and style with elevated denim. Who says jeans can't be sophisticated? By pairing high-quality knits with the right accessories, we transform casual jeans into a look that's fit for any spring outing. Take a look at this classic navy cable knit. The deep, rich color pairs so beautifully with a rich autumn-toned silk scarf tied at the neck, adds an instant touch of quiet luxury. For a truly radiant spring vibe, white denim is your best friend. A timeless Breton striped sweater with a navy scarf creates a chic nautical feel that never goes out of style. If you want more texture, try a light blue tweed knit cardigan with gold buttons or a sunny yellow knit with a matching floral scarf. These combinations make white jeans look incredibly polished and intentional. Don't be afraid to experiment with layering to add depth to your denim. A chocolate brown sweater worn over a lace-trimmed silk piece adds a sophisticated feminine edge to dark indigo jeans. Or, for that effortless off-duty editor look, try draping a white knit over your shoulders in an all-white ensemble. It's simple, monochromatic, and utterly stunning. For those softer spring days, a blush pink cardigan paired with a delicate floral scarf offers a romantic, approachable elegance. Whether you choose a classic cable knit or a modern white jeans, Remember that the secret to great style is in the details. The jewelry, the hair, and of course, that perfect silk scarf. Spring styling is all about the little things. A touch of silk, the right color palette, and the confidence to wear what makes you feel beautiful. Which of these 3 styles was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, elegance is a lifestyle. I'll see you in the next one.